Hello guys, welcome back to our to-do list series. This is part 4. In the last video we have completed the basic layout of the tool, but that was not functional.
In this part, we will make it functional.
So let's first remove the task div for now. We will add it dynamically with user input.
First of all, add a script tag in index.html file to link it with main.js file, where we will write our JavaScript code.
Select the Add Task button with the ID and save it in variable add_btn. Similarly, select some other elements as well that we will need as we proceed further in the video. Now as we want to add a task to the application every time when the Add Task button is clicked, so add an event listener on Add Task button. Now whenever the Add Task button is clicked, the function inside the event listener is executed. In this line we retrieves the value of an input field with the ID task title input and store it in variable title. Just for the testing purpose, let's put the title value in the alert box and check if it appears on button click. Document.createElement will create a new div element to contain the task. This line will add the CSS class task to the newly created div element. Again, using document.createElement to create a h2 element to display the title of the task and save it in variable title element. And give text content of title element as title. Create a new button element and store it in removeBTN variable, also add class close to it. Then add text to remove to the newly created button element. Now to this removeBTN, add an event listener which will call removeTask method every time the remove button is clicked. And pass event as parameter to the removeTask method. Similarly, add an event listener to title element. Every time user clicks on title element, it will call a function markCompleted. We will define remove tasks and markCompleted method in next video of our to-do list series.
Now append title element and remove elements to the task div using append child method.
Similarly, append task div to task list element so that tasks could be visible to the user on click of Add Task button.
Increment the total task counter by 1 and assign its value to total tasks variable. This way total tasks will be updated by increment of 1 in the previous value total tasks.